to 30-volt AC supply. 50 hertz. 50 hertz. L means line. N means neutral. Two-way switch 1. Two-way switch 2. Two-way switch 3. Lamp 1. Lamp 1. Lamp 2. Line 2. First switch second point. First switch first point 2. Second switch first point. First switch third point 2. Second switch third point. Second switch first point 2. Third switch first point. Second switch third point 2. Third switch third point. Third switch second point 2. Second lamp second point. Second switch second point 2. First lamp second point. Second lamp first point 2. First lamp first point. Lamp first point 2. Neutral. 9. First switch second point. First switch first point. Two second switch first point. Switch third point 2. Second switch third point. Second switch first point to third switch first point. Second switch third point to third switch third point. Third switch second point to junction box. Third switch second point to second lamp second point. Second point. Holder first point to second switch second point. Second holder first point to first holder first point. First holder first point to neutral. Second switch second point to first holder second point. Series switch on, line neutral. This is the phase, this is the neutral. Switch on. This is the series test. Lamp switch on, lamp on. Circuit is okay. Parallel testing. Switch on. Phase switch on. Two lamp off. Make switch to on. First switch to second switch. Supply lamp on, lamp second off. Make third switch on, second switch supply to third switch. Second lamp on to first lamp on. Make switch 3 off, second lamp off. Make second switch off, first lamp off. Make first switch off, two lamps on.